Got a little tip for you. Working by myself today. It's not unusual, but I'm framing up a wall, and I'm by myself in a low ceiling. As you can see, that ceiling is under 7 feet. So, what is the issue? The issue is how you gonna raise this wall up without hitting the ceiling, and how am I gonna do it by myself? There's a little trick. Let me see if I can position my camera just right where you can watch me do this. Bear with me. See if I get my camera right. You know, we're not working with the tripod today. Here we go. How about that? Okay. Let's see if you can see me do it. Alright. Check it out. I'm gonna get this wall up by myself. Check it. That's the bottom plate. That goes on the ground. It's the top plate. It's going up. So it make more sense to build it when it goes up. And not build it when it goes up that way. Alright? Keep going. Slowly lift it up. Slide it up. Yeah, lost my hands. But that lets you know this video is real. Stuff happening on the job site. People want to post the videos and everything's perfect. Come on, son. Let's be for real. Slide it on up. What we got? We got our wall up by itself. Now what we got to do is tap the bottom in place. It's all good, baby. That's how you can put a wall up by yourself. So if you're doing a job by yourself, people say, I can't make it. You don't need them to make it. They say, I got it. See you on the next video.